I'm going to take this pattern and block that I've put together, and I'm going to make a D box. I have this block that I've put together out of construction pine. It's got two thin pieces on the back. One's going to be the front cover for this D part. The other one's going to be a backing plate to cover the back. It's going to be two drawers. You can see the little places I'm going to cut some of the grooves and slots, whatever, to grooves and pegs to slide in and out to hold this drawer up if you pull the bottom drawer out. It's going to be like the others, so I'm going to have a little small D for the pull. I'm going to cut this one outline first, and I'll pull the two little plates off. Then I'll cut in and cut these drawers. And I'll have to use, I got another pattern to cut the front to fit the D. So let's get started. I'm going to cut it with number 12 Pegas Super Skip Tooth. Well, I tried to mess this box up every step I went. I didn't know I was going to get it finished, but I did. And it works much better than I ever thought it would because of the problems I had getting it. The blade warped a little bit, cutting that area right there. I had a lot of problems getting that lined out where it would work. So I start each one of those drawers when I have that sort of a cut with a fresh blade, so it'll cut a little better, but that time it just didn't cut exactly straight up and down, as you can see. But I worked with it till I got it to work. And then I made some cuts out of phase. I left some things on I should have taken off before I cut. So I had to adjust it as I went through. As you can see, I didn't put that front plate on it. I did it like I did the C. I stained this because I neglected to remove that plate, and so I cut the inner pieces, plus I cut through here, and that was the main reason I wanted it, was to cover that up. And it cut a little out of whack right here. It wouldn't line up, so I just didn't use it. And so this is the end result. It turned out way better than I thought it was going to. I thought I was going to have to start over and do it again. But anyway, if you like that, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see the rest of them, be notified when they come out, well, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And we'll see how I can do with the rest of them. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you when we do the E.